The MAXVU rail limiter can be programmed either from the front of unit push buttons here, or via a PC with configuration cable and West software. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to program the unit from the front of the unit push buttons. First of all, I'll have a look at the operation mode. In here I can see various information about the unit. So far it's showing me the process variable, value of the process variable, which is 53, and the limit alarm that has been set of 150. If I press the up arrow, this is the operation mode, and it shows me the minimum process variable value that the unit went to, the maximum, in this case 89 degrees C, the state of the alarms. We have one limit alarm and two other alarms, either high or low, it depends how they've been set up, and the alarm state. At the moment you can see that none of the alarms are active. Then I'm back into the operation mode again. It is in the setup menu where I can decide upon the type of input signal that's required and also set the output relays. The model I have here is factory fitted with 3 output relays. I'm going to use one of them as a limit alarm, and the other 2 relays, one will be high alarm, the other will be low alarm. I'm also going to set it up for a pt4 input signal. To get into the setup menu, press the function key and the up arrow together. It will ask for a lock code, the setup lock. The factory default is 10, so go to that using the up arrow, then press the function key. At the moment you can see that the input type is pt100, and the units have been selected as degrees C. If I wanted to change any of these values, then press the function key, and now I'm offered the choice of degrees C or degrees F. Let's keep it at degrees C. Go through the scroll through the menu again with the down arrow. This is where we can select how many decimal places we want. These are the alarm settings. This is the limit alarm, which I can select as either a high alarm or a low alarm. I'll keep it as high. The alarm value at the moment is 150 degrees C. Let's change that. Let's bring it down. Oh, let's see. Let's change it to 120, for example. So press the function key and then use the up and down arrows to get to whatever the new value is required. Once you've selected your new limit value, press the function key. Let's move on to the next parameter, alarm value 1. At the moment it is 100 degrees C. Let's bring that down to 80. So to select it, function key, it highlights, then use the arrow to bring us the up or down arrow to get the value you require. In this case we want 80, OK, function key to accept it. Move on to the next parameter, alarm value 2, 40, let's change that. Let's bring that down to 20. Accept. Now we're back to the input type again. I didn't explain the input type really. At the moment it's set up for pt100, which is what I want. If I wanted to change that at all, then I've got a selection here of standard input signals, thermocouples, linear input signals. I want to go back to my pt100. pt100 select. Okay, now move on. To come out of this menu, press the function key and the up arrow together, and then that brings you back into the operation mode.